All right, we're looking at a single story, super unique property today, 2,100 square feet on a half acre, $765,000, right? No HOA, circular driveway, 6-car garage. Hello, fully gated, plus RV gates on both sides of the home, which is awesome. So there's gates behind the gates, so you can really basically have a lot of space for all your toys, boat on one side, RV on the other. See that front gate there? Love that. A lot of times you have gated properties, but you have to slide a big giant gate to get in. This has a regular walk-in gate as well. There's a nice circular driveway, dual door entry, desert landscaping, but lots of room to add some artificial turf to kind of green it up, but really low maintenance desert, no dirt, almost all cement. Here's a look at the living room, virtually staged and not virtually staged, as well as a family room. This is a single story built in 1964, but heavily remodeled. Again, and if the bathrooms in this home, I think, are the space, and there's 4 of them, where you have room to basically really upgrade and kind of bring this into a really nice modern looking home. They're okay, but I think that's an opportunity to really step things up. Kitchen though, very nice, open, big hard surface counter, large double fridge, double oven, microwave, stainless steel, all the touches. This tile flooring also is obviously very subjective in terms of taste. All the bedrooms have kind of gray linoleum luxury plank. Here's one of those bathrooms. Again, not bad. I think the bathrooms do have opportunity because of the size of them to change these kind of singular vanities and make them double vanities and those kind of things. The home has a second home on the back side, which is very unique. We'll get to that soon enough. Here's a look at the primary bedroom. Here's a look at one of the secondary baths. Again, lots of opportunity in the so that was a primary bathroom there. Lots of opportunity to kind of increase the vanities. Super large laundry room. Look at all that counter space. Definitely room for opportunity. Big covered balcony, 3 fans. Hello. Home does have solar on the front house and the back house, but giant covered balcony, barbecue stub out. Here's a look at that right side RV boat parking kind of thing. Here's a pool, no spa, so you have to bring your own spa. Lots of room for an above ground spa. Here's a look at one of the garage spaces, which is kind of a workshop. You'll see on the side shortly. There's that workshop, tall, lots of room to kind of get in, double barn doors. They swing open. Motorcycles, all kind of toys get in there. But look at this workspace right here. It's basically insulated, and which is really nice. Big giant compressor does stay with the property, so that's nice. If you're someone who uses the air compressor. Here's a look at that back house. It's 1,500 square feet. It's basically set up as one big great room, and then a living room area, kitchen area, then a bedroom and bath, all in this 1,500 square feet. Recessed lighting, big fans. That is, I think, the stained concrete flooring, which is nice, super low maintenance. This home again has solar back and front. There is a washer and dryer in the guest house as well, so you can literally have 2 separate families living situation. Have like the in-laws live with your parents. Urinal obviously is questionable. Some people like that, some people don't. But again, these bathrooms have lots of size and opportunity for upgrades, I think. This home again, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2,100 square feet in the front, 1,500 square feet in the back house. It is $765,000 on a half acre lot. This is honestly a tremendous property. But again, that guest house does need to be permitted, or can be permitted, or you don't have to permit it like they did. So totally up to you. Would love to show you this home and other homes similar to that. Just to look at the bedroom and the living and bedroom space in that guest house in the back. There's the walk-in closet situation in the guest house. Here's a look at the guest house from just outside of it. It does have a little extra storage on the right side. Here's a look inside that extra storage on the guest house. As we slide in here to our next photo, here's just basically another look from the workshop back to the backyard. Look at the pool, a little bit of fake turf around that. But again, this is a super low maintenance, fun, easy property. No HOA. If you have interesting pets, it is horse permitted, so bring your goat. Give me a call about this home and many homes like it. Would love to show you this. Talk to you soon. It's Lloyd, your favorite realtor. Have a great day.